Test the horn. The horn is good. We do not have to replace it. You guys can see. I think the cops are coming after us. Oh, Denny's. This guy's shaking his head. He's pissed because we were honking. Keep driving that scooter, you. What the fuck are you guys listening to? We got Dumb and Dumber in the van. BMW 325i convertible, 75,934 miles. No misfire, no, it runs better than a new car actually. Passed smog without even getting any repairs done. Transmission seems very nice, shifting good. So the looks are basically what we're gonna do. Customers interested in that. Mechanically, there's not much to do on this thing because it's perfect. So we're gonna do the complete exterior paint, bodywork, along with the interior. So all the seats are gonna be done. The seats are very bad, old. You guys can see the clusters, the dashboard's not all that bad. It looks pretty good, but the seats, carpets, rear seats, also convertible is not working. We're gonna look into that, fix that part. And that's basically it. Oh.
Nice little car.
All right, guys, here's a good one. This is our client's all-black Ferrari Purosangue. This customer actually temporarily moved to Florida, Miami, and he didn't want to ship the Purosangue all the way to LA back and forth. So we teamed up with our buddies at XL Racing over here in Florida, and they did all the Novitec goodies on it. Got the full Novitec exhaust. This is the first one in the country. Got the Novitec springs as well for lowering because the Purosangue needs to be lowered. And then we have the really, really crazy stanced set of RDB wheels. 23-inch in the front, 24-inch in the rear. They are super aggressive, literally as flush as possible. And then when it was lowered on the Novitec springs, even better. We had to import these tires actually from overseas because these tires do not exist stateside here in the United States. They are a very special continental set, crazy size, honestly. This is really, really unique for the Purosangue because the Purosangue comes with 22, 23s, and it's a very weird setup. There's not really many tire options out there. So with this 23, 24, we found the best option. Drives really well. The tires are thick, and this car looks amazing now. So thanks to the guys out there in Florida. If you guys want a set of the baddest wheels for your Purosangue, hit us up. We are currently building another one here locally. We are lowering it right now, so stay tuned for that one too.
Those Royce that we've been putting in so much work on, finally going to be painted. It's going to look amazing. So this car that was completely destroyed, very, very bad, old car, we're bringing it back to life. It's finally time for the fun part, which is the paint. All the hard work is done. Now it's time for now it's time to see everything we did. So you'll see it soon. Mr. Felix. This new Bentley Bentayga went through a couple of things. Let's take a look. This car was vandalized right in front of the client's house. They did take a couple of things from inside. They did do a lot of damage, actually. We have a lot of stuff missing here. They did cut wires, as you guys can see. There's cut wires here. You know, they cut everything up. They took stuff from here. This is crazy. I don't know how somebody would risk it to do it in front of someone's house. Look at this. They also completely broke this, destroyed the whole glove compartment. There's a lot of wires that are cut in the glove compartment as well. And this is a big problem. It's not mostly the like the fun stuff that's missing. It's wires and harnesses that are the issue. So that's gonna be the most important part. We need to get new wires and stuff like that. So that's gonna be the hard part, but we have to do it. This took less than 3 minutes for them to do. If they stole the van, I would cry. And then I just go to Vegas with Hank and he'll bail me out.
Oh, I like your glasses.
You like it? Can you have it?
I can have it.
Oh, no press. I need to cut this one because the insurance guy, they're gonna come in to check that we don't have a damage inside. It's no damage. Maybe. No, maybe no damage inside, but we have to cut it anyway for insurance. And also I have to cut the bed because the bed has a big damage too. So we need to change, maybe we need to change the size of the bed. I can fix this.
Easy.
Easy. It's okay.
There's no room to move this shit around.
Yeah. So
Unless we remove.
I don't
Spindle.
think we need to remove all that. We gotta try to do this in a easier way.
Yeah, I know.
We don't want to mess with all the lines.
I know. Maybe if I can move this one a little bit this way.
Get more room.
Here, compress it maybe here in place. Try to compress it here.
All right, we are with the Purosangue, which has one of the most advanced suspensions ever for a production vehicle. I mean, look at this thing. It's gigantic. You can't even see all of it. Here you have obviously the coilover, the shock. Underneath it, there's all kinds of anodized gold, blue things and the dampeners there. What's crazy is this thing. You see this black thing right here? And then you see all these lines right here. So this thing, the car has a lift system. So it goes up and down. When you go in launch mode, it goes down really quickly, instantaneously. Suspension on this car is not hydraulic where it basically fills it up. This thing actually turns like a motor and it coils up the spring. So crazy. And it does it like instantaneously, super quick. It has water cooling in it. But anyways, this is the first one we're gonna lower ourselves. Our friends over at XL Racing lowered the first one in the United States, the black one that we did RDB wheels on for our client. And this is gonna be the second. So we're gonna be taking these springs off, putting the Novitec springs on. We're doing 24, 23 inch setup with tires that have to be imported. So it's a crazy, crazy setup that we figured out. And it drives really well, looks beefy, no little tires, and it looks right. So stay tuned, we're gonna get the springs on there and then throw the RDB wheels on there and show you guys this Purosangue.
All right, guys, we have a big problem here. Javier is missing a very expensive tool, battery-operated gun that does a lot of miracles for him. $600, and it's nowhere to be found. There's a heat gun. Should we give it to him?
Give him the heat gun.
This is it? Right here.
He's behind you.
I told you.
Impact gun. It's an impact gun.
Never mind.
It's not heat gun. Yeah, it looks like, huh? No,
It can't disappear, or it could.
it's a toolkit, huh? Body, mechanic,